Are you ready to take charge of your heart health and embrace a vibrant life? Look no further than Lyfstyle Wellness, your partner in fostering a healthy heart and overall well-being. At Lyfstyle Wellness, we offer an innovative, non-surgical solution to keep your heart in top shape: ESMR treatment. Here's how it works. During ESMR therapy, low-intensity shock waves are precisely applied to stimulate the growth of new blood vessels around the heart. These shock waves act as a natural catalyst, promoting increased blood flow to areas that need it most. As the new blood vessels form, your heart receives a fresh surge of nourishment, rejuvenating even the most challenging areas with inadequate blood supply. Improved circulation means a healthier heart, ready to conquer any challenge life throws your way. Here's why ESMR therapy is the ideal choice for you. It's painless, non-invasive, and requires no hospitalization, giving you peace of mind. Worried about side effects? Don't be. ESMR is risk-free, reducing infection risks and providing a cost-effective solution. Say goodbye to angina pain and embrace a heart-healthy life. ESMR treatment is a perfect alternative for those who can't undergo angioplasty or bypass surgery, or those who choose not to undergo such procedures. It is also an excellent option for individuals facing heart pumping problems. Join India's largest non-invasive heart center now and unlock a world of heart therapies, including chelation therapy, ozone therapy, and EECP therapy. Trust in our dedicated team of experts, cutting-edge treatments, and personalized care to make a difference in your life.